Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Ledger Nano S Plus crypto wallet. So this is a hardware wallet which you can manage your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin with. This device will hold your keys for your cryptocurrency so that you're not dependent on the website like Coinbase where you can trade cryptocurrencies. So as it says on the back, you can hold your keys offline, so then you're protected against hacks. The box has the hardware wallet and one USB cable. The normal price of the product is around 80 euros, but sometimes you can get it on offer for around 50 euros. I'll leave a link down below for Amazon. That's the most convenient way to order one. Okay, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So in the box we have the hardware wallet itself, and then we have this secret recovery sheet. So this is basically just a piece of paper where you can write down the hardware recovery key. And then we have the device itself. It has a USB-C plug on the other side, then we have a screen on it and two buttons on the side. There's a little sheet with some instructions, some getting started guides and stuff like that. And then we have still a small box here which has the USB cable in it. So it's a basic USB-A to USB-C cable, and then we still have a little nice keychain thing here, and that's pretty much everything in the box. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.